Hi folks, and welcome to Island Girl Foods TV. Today we are in Jamaica for their national dish, Ackee Saltfish. It's a phenomenal, salutary, celebrated breakfast or brunch, but in my family, we have it for dinner. And Jamaican ackee and saltfish is loaded with vitamins. We have vitamin C, vitamin B2, B3, calcium, iron, folic acid. The list goes on just how healthy this dish really is. So join me as we cook alone together. And remember to hit that subscribe button and tune in every week by just hitting that notification bell, which will alert you every time I upload a new video. So if you're going, let's go. So we want to prepare our saltfish by placing it in a small saucepan with water to cover over medium heat. Bring it up to a boil for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Drain it and then rinse it with cold running water to remove some of the excess salt. So we'll need a half of onion dice, 2 cloves of garlic dice, about a half to a quarter piece of Scotch bonnet dice, 4 green onions sliced diagonally, a cup of the salted codfish, 3 cups of ackee rinsed and drained, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, about a tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves, and 2 slices of bacon cooked and crumbled. Place a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then we're going in with our onions and let cook until translucent for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Add garlic and saute for approximately 1 minute. Add in your Scotch bonnet pepper if using. Green onions and stir. Let cook for approximately 1 minute. Add the tomatoes and cook for an additional 3 minutes. This releases the sugars from the tomatoes. And now we add in our salted fish and saute for approximately 2 minutes. Add in the tender ackee and gently mix, being careful not to break the ackee. Add in your fresh thyme leaves, your bacon, add salt and pepper to taste, and stir gently. Remove from the heat and serve. And here we have it, folks. Today, I've decided to pair my ackee and saltfish with some delicious sauteed spinach, and I can't live without the plantains. We have sweet, ripe, fried plantains. Now, I usually love to have my side of callaloo, but it's not in my refrigerator, so I decided to go with a similar vegetable. Spinach will do. So here's the moment of truth as I go in for the taste. Another sensational dish. You have to try this, especially if you're looking for new flavors with beautiful island nuances. Ackee is available in cans in every supermarket, especially Caribbean supermarkets. So enjoy, folks. And remember, when it comes to Caribbean cuisine, nobody does it better than your island girl, Chef Raquel.